Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is my birthday, actually November 8th. I'm a Scorpio wearing my birthday shirt today. Sipping on some Patron. You get me? With some pineapple juice. I think I made it too strong. I'm feeling a little bit too nice. Right now I'm going to ask some questions. I'm going to do 20 fun questions to ask on someone's birthday. Alright? Yeah, so let's get into it. I wanted to ask what call it, Instagram for the questions, but I think that's gonna take too long and I wanna make the video right now and just get it over with. So 20 fun questions that you should ask someone on their birthday. So the first question, number 1, what day of the week were you born on? I don't know, but I think I can look it up. Let me look it up real quick. What day of the week was I born on? November 8th? Oh, I'm 27 today, by the way. Wish me happy birthday in the comments. 27. I'm an old man, dog. Fuck. Where's my family? I should have a family by now. November 8th.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Siri on my laptop saying I'm sorry. I don't have a family by now. I should be like spending my birthday with all of that. It is what it is. What day of the week was November 8th? This is interesting. So November 8th it was a Wednesday. I was born on a Wednesday, okay? So it was a Wednesday. That was a fun question. What do you like most about your birthday? What I like most about my birthday? I don't know. I just like the energy, the turning older after your birthday. I really like that. I really like, I don't know, I just feel good. I just feel good about your birthday. Everybody always feel good about their birthday. You're getting older. You know what I mean? You reflect on the past year. Yeah, that's what I like most about my birthday. Reflecting on what I've achieved in the past year. You know what I mean? I really like that. Yeah. What's your earliest birthday memory? Alright, so I can remember when my 5th birthday, when I was 5. Alright, somewhere like that. I think I was 5 or maybe 3. My father, big up my father, daddy, heart of love. You know I love him, my father. He bought me a car, a toy car, and I had this girlfriend back then. Her name was Trudy. It wasn't really girlfriend. It was just really like play girlfriend, like, you know. And we had a birthday party that day. I think I was 5 or something like that. It was a party I got. It was a cake and all of that. And I remember I got a big car for my birthday, so I really enjoyed that birthday. I mean, I probably put some old younger pictures right here. Yeah, my baby picture. And because my brother sent me, my older brother, I have a brother 10 years older than me. He has those pictures in his photo album. He sent me those pictures. He sent me these pictures. They're going to be right here in my hands. He said, send me these pictures the other day. And you know, it just means a lot to me, you know, looking back at those, who I was, you know. Number 4. Number 4, minute? Yeah, number 4. Have you ever had a surprise birthday party? No, I've never had a surprise birthday party. That's an easy one. I would like to have one in the future, though, hopefully next year. I don't know. What do you like to do on your birthday? What do I like to do on my birthday? I like chilling on my birthday. You know what I mean? I like chilling and just appreciating life on my birthday. I don't like sharing my energy with people that I'm not really close to on my birthday. Because the birthday, to me, my birthday is a sacred day that I came into this world. It's like, so I celebrate it like you'd celebrate Christmas. In a sense for me, you know what I mean? It's a sacred day that I came into this world, you know? It's only one day of the year, so it's kind of like a holiday to me. It's kind of sacred to me. It's a day that you should keep holy, in a sense. And how I keep it holy is I don't share my energy with people that are going to drain my energy, you know? That's all. I don't even have sex on my, I don't even like having sex on my birthday like that, you know what I mean? No. All right, number 6. Number 6. Does your family have any fun birthday traditions? Does my family have any fun birthday traditions? I don't like you flower people. Oh, back in the day we used to flower each other. I haven't been flowering. Well, yeah, the other day when my brother flowered me the other day when I was still living in Mobile. Like 3 years ago, my brother, I think he flowered me, you know what I mean? Throw some flower in my head. That's nice. I'm going to keep that tradition. When my kids are born, I'm going to flower them. Number 7. What's the best age to be in your opinion? 27. You know, I'm 27 right now. That's the best age to be right now. Back in the day, you're older and more wiser. Like last year, I didn't have this level of wisdom. Right now, I can safely say I don't worry no more about nothing. I live in the now. I don't worry about the future. I don't think about the past. And that's because I did a forum and a lot of self-development things that I did that got me to this point of not worrying, just being in the present. You know what I mean? Control what you can control. What you cannot control, leave it be. Don't worry about it. So that's me now. So 27 is the best age to be, in my opinion. For me. You heard me? Yeah. Number 8. What's the best birthday present you have ever had? You have ever received? Best birthday present I've ever received. Best birthday present I've ever received. My bro's calling me. Yo, bro. Hello? Yeah, bro. Nah, man, I lie, bro. You know, me don't know yet. Me don't go up on the beach, but me don't know, bro. No, man, me alone me that pretty for good. Me alone. Me never met no link yet. Still, as me I say, me alone me did kind of rare. Oh, to the airport, is above you. Mm-hmm. All right, broski. Yeah, so that's my friend. He just called me, wish me happy birthday. You know what I mean? Grateful. Fully grateful, my bro. Out of love. So what's the best birthday present you have ever received? I've never really received a lot of birthday presents. I would say a present from my father. My father means a lot to me. And I know that I don't live with him no more. It means a lot to me. You know what I mean? I love my father, really. So I would say the gift for him buy me when I was 5. Probably that was my best birthday present. Or whatever gift. I don't remember a lot of them. But must be one that my father give me, or some money or whatever. Big up my father. Or my mother call me and tell me, say, that's the best birthday gift that I received. My mother call me, tell me, son, I love you. Like today she call me, tell me happy birthday. Can feel the love, you know? So that's the best birthday gift you can receive. Happy birthday from your mother, I love you. Or a present from your father. Or tell your father, tell us, I love you, or whatever. So that's the best birthday gift I received from my family. My brother them, tell me, say them love me. My friend just call me. That's the best birthday present I could receive. I just received it live on camera. Best birthday present I can receive. It's like Sanjay just called me, he's like a brother to me. You know? Grew up together, been through everything, do everything together, you know? So like that's the best birthday present you can receive. A loved one's calling you happy birthday, you can feel the love. You know? So big up all who call me, my friends and my family. Love. You get me? Best birthday present that you can receive. Somebody telling you say happy birthday. I love you. Best birthday present. Yeah. Number 1 with the 9. Maybe I'm just gonna do 10. Not go well. I'll probably do all 20. I don't know. Let me see how much time. We have like 8 minutes 25 seconds. Alright, so number 9. What's the best birthday present you have ever given to someone else? Best birthday present I've ever given to someone else? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I have to ask the people that I've given birthday present. Maybe those the girls that I've given their birthday present, I give them some dick on their birthday. Maybe that. I don't know. I don't know what's the best birthday present. I really don't. I don't know. One time I buy my father a big speaker for his birthday. Yeah, and him really did appreciate it. I'm buying my back like NSC. Him never really. Yeah, so him did appreciate that. So maybe that big speaker that I bought my father for his birthday. My father is the reason why I love music, you know. My father loves music, and I'm going to get into music soon. See my mic here. I'm working on a couple songs. Songwriting is kind of hard. Maybe that's the best birthday present I've ever given somebody. I bought my father a speaker box for his birthday. My father loves music, all genres. He don't discriminate, you know what I mean? Shout out to my father. Number 10. What would you like to achieve before your next birthday? Your next birthday? Maybe I want to meet my wife on my next birthday. Probably I'll get married before my next birthday. That would be nice. I'm not sure. Maybe what do I want to achieve? I want to go to another country. I want to travel to another country before my next birthday. That's what I want to do. And for my birthday, I wanted to go to, but I don't think I'm going to do that again. I wanted to do a cruise on November 15th. Was the date of the cruise that it was gonna start. After that, I think I can do other cruises that are gonna be running. But that I wanted to go on a cruise. It was gonna go to. I'll put it up right here. I forgot where the cruise was gonna go, but it was gonna go to like a few countries in the Caribbean. Like it was 8 days, 7 nights. Just be on the water by myself, you know? Yeah. That's what I wanted to do, you know? But it doesn't look like I'm gonna do it right now. So I don't know. Maybe later on. What's the next one? Remember that now. Boom, 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 boom. Number 11. Have you ever spent your birthday in another country? No. I'd love to spend my next birthday in another country. That would be nice. What food do you like to eat on your birthday? Well, I like to eat what I like to eat. Like a jerk chicken. Maybe I'll buy some ice cream today. I don't know. I don't eat ice cream. I don't eat cake like that. I'll buy a cake and an ice cream later on. I don't know. I don't know yet. You know what I mean? Number 13. Do you think everyone should have the day off school / work on their birthday? Do you think everyone should have the day off / school on their birthday? No. Some people love doing what they do for a job. You know, like me, I'm doing my YouTube right now on my birthday. Some people love that. Some people, I used to love school growing up, so no days off. No days off school or work if you love what you do. But if not, you can take the day off if you want. Number 14. If you had $1 million, what would you do on your birthday? Maybe I just keep a what do I do? I'd keep a big party with me and all of my family. Yeah, because if I had $1 million, I would have the mansion. So in the mansion, probably keep a big party, me and my family. You know what I mean? They're surrounded by people who genuinely love you. You know what I mean? Real love. Like real love different from the fake love, you know, bro. Like you see the fake love, you can feel it different, you know, from the real love. You see the real love is the real love. You know what I mean? So I would do that for my birthday. If I had $1 million, I'll be a millionaire. If I was a millionaire, that would the party. I'll just keep a party with me and my whole family. Cook some curry goat belly. What that? Rundown in here? I think so. Cook some goat belly soup. Jerk up some chicken. And just vibe. You and the family, you know? Listen to some oldies. Some old man music. And just vibe me and the family. All of them, even the people that live country, my grandfather them, my granduncle them, buy them beer rum, drunk them out, and make them cuss and go on. You get me? Because that's family, bro. You know what I mean? And I'm looking forward to Christmas. Maybe I'm going to visit them, you know? Back in Mobe. Back in Hanover. Yeah, so number 15. What did you learn this year since your last birthday? What a very important thing that I learned this year, and a lot of people are not going to understand this, that we're not this mind. You know what I mean? The mind, like things will happen in the mind and not me that. You get me? I said the mind and not me, and the body and not me. The body and the mind is not me. That's the most important thing that I learned this year. So if your mind is rambling about something, that is just the mind. The mind likes to solve problems and get itself into trouble to solve the problems. So the most important thing that I learned this year, I learned that I am not this mind and I am not this body. You know what I mean? Because even if your hand cut off, you still go on. You may say still can live. So that means you're not dead. So that means you're not the body. I was just watching a video about that today too. That's the most important thing I learned this year. I'm not the mind, I'm not the body. Yeah. So number 16, do you prefer to eat at home? Do you prefer to eat a home cooked meal or to eat out at a restaurant on your birthday? Probably eat out at a restaurant. Last year I had some lamb. The first time having lamb last year, I had some lamb at the hotel for my birthday. That was amazing. So I'd say eat at a restaurant. It's a different experience, different ambiance. You know what I mean? Something nice for my birthday. So I prefer eat out. Maybe I'll go to a restaurant today, you know. I don't know yet. Number 17. Do you know any famous people with the same birthday as you? No. But in college, I know a lot of people with my same birthday. I know and all of them are girls. I know 3 girls with the same birthday as me. I know one girl, me and her born the same day, same year, everything. She born on a Wednesday. Her name is Renee. What Renee name again? Renee Slowly. Shout out to Renee Slowly. Me and her born on the same day, same year. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Renee, if you watch. Enough love. Happy birthday if you watch. Happy birthday to all of you. My name born on the same birthday too. I went to college with some girls. My name born on the same day too. Happy birthday to you. Shout out Scorpio gang for life, okay? Yeah. Number 18. Number 18. Do you think money is a good birthday gift? Yeah, money is always a good gift. Come on, of course money is a good gift. What are you talking about? Somebody is going through a hard time and some money would solve their problem. Money would be the best gift you can give them. You know what I mean? So yes, money is a good gift. Shout out to the people that giving people money for their birthday. I received some money. I'd like to get some money for my birthday today. Yeah, right now I'm a bit tipsy dog. I give the liquor every mix and I drink it up right now. Made feel nice right now. You see me? Number what is my phone now? My last. Alright, number 19. Number 19. What's the best kind of cake? Best type of cake? I enjoy chocolate cake, I think, is the best kind of cake. And I even have chocolate cake right here. Oh, the question never finished. I'm married. They said, what's the best kind of cake? Chocolate cake, cheesecake, or what is ice cream cake? Chocolate cake, cheesecake, or ice cream cake. You know, I've never really had a lot of other cake. I'm not really a cake person like that. But ice cream sounds fun. Ice cream cake sounds fun. What I'm gonna say, I've never had ice cream cake. I can't remember if I ever had cheesecake. If I had cheesecake, I would have remember. I'd never had cheesecake either. I think I have chocolate cake before. So I'd say chocolate cake is the best cake. You know what I mean? Chocolate cake. Yeah. So number 20. In your opinion, what time of year is the best time to have a birthday? What time of year is it? Probably Christmas, down to December. Probably Christmas. Well, nah, the best time to have a birthday is in November. The best is to be a scarp. Even I don't really believe in zodiac and all of that nonsense. The day that you're born don't determine who you are. I don't believe in zodiac and all of that. You get me? But I'd say November 8th is the best day to be born. You know what I mean? Shout out to all who born November 8th. And I mean, nice. Give thanks to life, you see me? Alright, so that's it for the video. This is the 20 questions. I don't know what I'm going to do after this. I'll keep you posted. I'll make another video. Naturally, maybe I'm going to go to the beach, sunset, take some pictures in the sunset, maybe, I don't know. I got to pick up something, so I don't think I'll be able to do that. I have to go pick up something. Maybe I'll go link up with the bros later on. See what those hoes are talking about later on. I don't know. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Share the video. And show me some love in the comments. It's my birthday. Thanks for subscribing. And yeah. Part of love.